Hello everyone, welcome back to Healthify Quest, your trusted source for healthy living advice and recommendations. Summer is almost here and you know what that means. Sunshine, swimming and unfortunately bug bites. It's so easy to get caught up in the fun of it all and not even realize you've been bitten until those itchy welts start popping up. But did you know that different bugs leave behind different kinds of marks? That's why today we're going to equip you with the knowledge to identify those pesky bites and learn how to treat them effectively. We'll be diving into the specifics of 13 common bug bites and how to identify them. Let's start with a familiar foe, the mosquito. These tiny insects are more than just a nuisance. They're one of the most dangerous creatures on the planet due to the diseases they can transmit. You know the drill. That annoying high-pitched buzzing in your ear precedes a small, red, itchy bump. This is the mosquito's calling card, a sign that it has successfully fed on your blood. Mosquito bites often appear in clusters and tend to pop up on exposed skin. They're not just random. Mosquitoes are strategic in their approach, often targeting areas that are easy to access. Why? Because mosquitoes are attracted to our body heat and the carbon dioxide we exhale. They can sense these cues from a distance, making us prime targets, especially during warmer months. Now, for most people, mosquito bites are just a mild annoyance. The itching and swelling usually subside within a few days and life goes on as usual, but for some, they can trigger more severe allergic reactions. These reactions can include significant swelling, redness, and even blistering, which can be quite uncomfortable and concerning. So if you notice any excessive swelling, pain, or other unusual symptoms after a mosquito bite, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Early intervention can help manage symptoms and prevent complications. Next up, we have those tiny but mighty jumpers, fleas. Unlike mosquitoes that prefer exposed skin, flea bites are commonly found on the lower legs and feet. These bites appear as small red bumps, often clustered together, and let me tell you, they can be incredibly itchy. Fleas are notorious for making their homes on our furry friends, so if you've got pets, regular flea prevention is key. Remember, early detection and treatment are essential to prevent those itchy bites from taking over your life. Let's talk about bed bugs, a traveler's worst nightmare. These tiny, elusive creatures can turn a peaceful night into a distressing ordeal. Found in hotels, homes, and even public transportation, bed bugs are experts at hiding in the smallest of crevices. These nocturnal pests like to feast on us while we sleep, leaving behind a trail of telltale bites. They are most active during the night, crawling out of their hiding spots to feed on our blood. Bedbug bites typically appear as red, itchy welts, often in a line or cluster. These bites can be mistaken for other insect bites, but their pattern is usually a giveaway. You'll usually find them on areas of the body that are exposed while sleeping, like the face, neck, arms, and hands. These areas are easy targets for bedbugs as they are not covered by clothing. Now, these bites themselves aren't usually dangerous, but they can be incredibly itchy and distressing. The constant urge to scratch can lead to secondary infections if the skin is broken. If you suspect you've encountered bed bugs, it's crucial to contact a pest control professional immediately to prevent further infestation. Early detection and treatment are key to managing and eliminating these persistent pests. Now, ticks are a different story. These small, blood-sucking parasites can transmit serious diseases, so it's crucial to be extra vigilant. Tick bites can manifest in various ways. Sometimes you might notice a red spot or rash at the bite site. Other times, the tick itself might still be attached, engorged with blood. If you find a tick on your body, it's essential to remove it carefully and completely. Remember, early detection and removal of ticks are crucial in preventing potential tick-borne illnesses. Let's move on to chiggers, those tiny, almost invisible mites that can pack a seriously itchy punch. Chigger bites typically appear as red, itchy welts and are often found around the waist, ankles, or in warm skin folds. What makes chigger bites so uncomfortable is that the mites actually burrow into your skin before feeding. This can cause intense itching that can last for several days or even weeks. If you're spending time outdoors, especially in grassy or wooded areas, be sure to take precautions to prevent chigger bites. Now let's talk about spider bites. While most spiders are harmless, some can deliver venomous bites that require medical attention. Spider bites can vary in appearance depending on the type of spider involved, but in general they often cause redness, swelling, and pain at the bite site. If you suspect you've been bitten by a venomous spider like a black widow or brown recluse, it's crucial to seek medical attention immediately. Remember, it's always better to err on the side of caution when it comes to spider bites. Fire ants are small but mighty insects that pack a painful punch. Their bites cause red, swollen spots that often develop into blisters filled with fluid. And trust me, fire ant bites are not something you want to mess with. They can be incredibly painful and cause a burning or stinging sensation that can last for several days. If you're unfortunate enough to get stung by fire ants, the best thing to do is to wash the affected area with soap and water and apply a cold compress to reduce swelling. Moving on to bee stings, which, let's be honest, can be a real pain, literally. Bee stings typically cause a sharp pain, followed by redness and swelling at the sting site. Now, most people experience only mild reactions to bee stings, but for those with bee sting allergies, it can be a life-threatening situation. If you or someone you know experiences symptoms like difficulty breathing, hives, or swelling of the face, lips, or tongue after a bee sting, call 911 immediately. Wasp stings are similar to bee stings in many ways, but they can be even more painful. Like bee stings, wasp stings cause redness, swelling, and can trigger allergic reactions in some people. One key difference between wasps and bees is that wasps can sting multiple times, unlike bees, which can only sting once. If you're stung by a wasp, the same first aid measures apply as with bee stings. Remove the stinger if present, wash the area with soap and water, and apply a cold compress. Hornet stings are notorious for their intense pain. These stinging insects deliver a potent venom that can cause significant discomfort. Hornet stings typically cause redness, swelling, and in some cases severe allergic reactions. Like wasps, hornets can sting multiple times, which can increase the severity of the reaction. If you're stung by a hornet, it's essential to monitor for signs of an allergic reaction and seek medical attention immediately if needed. Let's talk about horseflies, those large biting flies that can be a real nuisance during the summer month. Horsefly bites are known for their painful bite and the itchy red welts they leave behind. Unlike mosquitoes that pierce the skin, horseflies have scissor-like mouthparts that cut into the skin, which is why their bites are so painful. If you're bitten by a horsefly, clean the bite area with soap and water and apply a cold compress to reduce swelling and itching. Mites are tiny creatures that are related to ticks and spiders. While many mites are harmless, some can bite humans, causing itchy skin rashes. Mite bites typically appear as small red bumps that are intensely itchy. They're often found in areas where skin is thinner, such as the wrists, elbows, and knees. If you suspect you have mite bites, it's essential to see a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Finally, let's talk about lice, those tiny insects that infest human hair and feed on blood. Lice bites typically appear as small red bumps that are extremely itchy. They're usually found on the scalp, neck, and behind the ears. Lice infestations are highly contagious, spreading easily through direct contact or sharing personal items. If you suspect you or someone in your household has lice, it's crucial to treat the infestation promptly with over-the-counter or prescription medications. So there you have it, a guide to identifying and treating common bug bites. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical tips. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to protecting yourself and your loved ones from pesky insects. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Stay safe and bite-free, everyone. Thank you for watching.